Why fuel vehicles are important right now? Mostly people are using fuel vehicle as compared to e-vehicles.
Supporting the electronic vehicle, and in my opinion electronic vehicle is the good because
support fuel vehicles. So let me tell you why fuel vehicles are better than the e-vehicle. First thing is that fuel vehicles are easily accessible.
Agree with your points, because the way you're saying that we take oil from the other country,
because we can do anything. See, if I talk about emergency, if you have an emergency, so on that time what will
The middle class, the people who are driving the electric rickshaw, how are they buying it?
About the Tesla, that it is approximately of 12 to 13 lakhs.
Our society have a lots of plant.
Are beating around the bush. Come to the point. Actually, as you said, the government is providing subsidy. You will
see e-vehicle reduce the smoke.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you? So, something you are watching?
Yeah, of course, but not that much.
I think you are not watching each other. Something. Can you watch, my dear audience?
no, sir.
Very good, nice again, my dear. You can see what this is a team FIFA World Cup, my dear. And it's time 7 o'clock, my dear. It's night, and you can see, my dear, in my hand there is a wall, and it's a match Shivam versus Rocky. And this is time to toss. But my dear, I want to tell you, just watch the till the end of the video and then find who spoke good, my dear. Because you have to support Shivam and you have to support the Rockies. And both are playing as a captain today, and they are having the team also. He's from the morning and he's from the evening, my dear. And they are waiting for the toss. So already I told you in a comments, you have to tell each and everything which team impressed you, my dear. So now I want to invite both captains. Come here, my dear. And touch the ball, my dear. Hold the ball. Don't snatch, my dear.
Okay.
See the camera. And who want to call, my dear? Who want to call?
Of course.
Rocky, take the mic and you speak loudly because
Okay.
people want to listen to your voice. Your voice is so good, my dear. So now I want to call this. Yes, my dear, ready?
head.
Yeah, there we go.
And Shivam, you won the task. Clap for the Shivam, my dear. So now you can see, my dear, have a seat, Rocky. So give me your mic, my dear Shivam.
All right.
You won the toss, see the camera.
Yeah, of course.
And I think 99% you have won the match also.
no, so future is uncertain, so right.
Okay, now I think nothing is for one end, right?
Yeah.
So what is the planning today? How will you match? How will you win the match?
Actually, we are just gonna use the principles of the Jack Ma, the father of founder of the Alibaba websites, and there are also many philosophers which we are just of which we are just gonna use the philosophy and strategies over there in these games, in a debate especially, and we are gonna put marvelous and remarkable points in this game, and our team is gonna give fully, give the best by their side, and apart from it, there are
So
also
sorry to interrupt, my dear. What do you think about do and die? Because it's a last and first
for
match.
from our side, do and die doesn't matter. Matters that what kind of content we are just gonna put in our content. Content matters a lot. If you are going to put the valid content,
Very
so
good,
content-
nice. And some do you remember you have to select the topic. What topic?
So I would like to go with fuel vehicle.
Okay, fuel vehicle you
Yeah.
want to support, my dear. Okay. So clap for Shivam. So Shivam, have a seat, my dear. Now, Rocky, stand up. You lost that toss, my dear. So you lost the match.
No sir, we
See
lost.
the camera, my dear. People wants to know.
We lost the toss, but definitely we will win the against the debate.
More see the camera, my dear.
We will
because-
win the debate, sir.
Okay, so and today, what do you think? How will you play today?
Definitely we will play with the energy, and as my opponent team choose the fuel vehicle,
vehicle, yeah.
and all are aware about it, what the future of the country, what
Yeah.
what are the futures. Definitely EV, and definitely government are also somewhere just giving some subsidy supporting, and as you being you can
Very good.
human
Sorry,
being-
my dear, to interrupt because there is a limited time, my dear. That's why I interrupt you, my dear. Stand up, my dear, and touch the ball. So, my dear, today listen carefully. Rocky is supporting e-vehicles and Shivam is supporting fuel, my dear. So remember the comments, my dear, because your comments will decide who will and win the match. And comment date is last till the Friday midnight 12 p.m. So you have a time, you can do the comments. Now you will speak with me. One, two, three. Let's go.
Let's go. Very good evening to all of you. Hopefully everyone is doing well in their life. This side Shivam supporting fuel vehicle. Why fuel vehicles are important right now? Mostly people are using fuel vehicle as compared to e-vehicles. E-vehicles are just getting blood just because of lithium. Lithium batteries are being used in e-vehicles. Second, the high temperatures. Just because of high temperature, e-vehicles batteries are being blasted. Despite it, fuel vehicle, second, it is giving the long mileage as compared to e-vehicles. You cannot have a long mileage in a e-vehicle. And if you give the example of buses, although it is also, it's not carrying the, I can say, more people as compared to fuel vehicle. Why fuel vehicle is more important? If you are going in the mountain area, I can say anywhere, so you can go easily, you don't have to face any struggle anywhere. And despite it, if you are using e-vehicles, battery vehicles, then you will have to face many types of problems over there. First of all, ceiling types. Second, mileage is not giving over there. Apart from it, if it is going to be off, then it will also take a time. And despite it, emissions, it is also doing the soil pollution. If you are doing deep mining with the lithium battery, then you are also destroying the soil pollution.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rocky Kumar. We are supporting the electronic vehicle, and in my opinion, electronic vehicle is the good because that electronic vehicle is not one kind of the vehicle. That's the, you can say, it's a future of our country. We are not living in the Gulf country. We are not living in the Gulf country. We are like Kuwait, that kind of things. Dubai, Saudi Arabia, where we can get the petrol. We have to import, and how much we are just paying tax toward the importing charge. That kind of things for getting the financial, you can say, independent toward the India. We have to use the electronic vehicle, and lots of the benefit of the using the electronic vehicles. You have to just get the subsidy from the government, 30%, that kind of things, and maintenance charge is very low. And somewhere, for the getting the fuel, you have to go to petrol pump. For getting the charge, any kind of the vehicle, you can charge any place, in any petrol pump also you can get, otherwise you can charge at home also. That's the benefit. And some things, we are human being, we are not animal. We have to think about our future also. If we just get, you can say, petrol from the natural.
Okay, so as I'm going to support fuel vehicles, so let me tell you why fuel vehicles are better than the e-vehicle. First thing is that fuel vehicles are easily accessible to everyone and it is available easily. Another thing is that that fuel vehicles are affordable. When if I come to the electric vehicle, we know it is quite expensive, and we are living in India. You are living in Sangam Vihar, Tigadi, and you are saying that we can afford the e-vehicles. So it is not like this. We are not living in US or in any kind of another country where everyone can afford e-vehicles. We are living in India where mostly people belong to the middle class family. That's why that fuel vehicles are best for the us. And another thing is that on fuel vehicles, there are many petrol pumps are available nearby our location, but the charging stations are very limited. You won't find any kind of charging station in rural areas or mostly in semi-urban areas. Just go and check the rural and semi-urban areas. You won't find any kind of charging station, but petrol pump, you can easily find petrol pump at anywhere. Another thing is that that when it comes to petrol, like fuel vehicles, it is heavy in terms of weight also, but like e-vehicles, it is light, it is very light in like in terms of weight. It can turn around at any time and you can get injured.
Okay, so I am totally disagree with your points, because the way you're saying that we take oil from the other country, that's the reason why India is depending on the other countries. E-vehicles is made in India, so that's why we have to support this kind of things. And guys, you think that we have to support that fuel vehicles and all? I don't think so, because you're talking about the Sangam Vihar and this. Most of the people, they are living in a middle class. They cannot afford the petrol kind of. And if you see those who are running the e-rickshaws, those who are running the e-rickshaws, they are a middle class, and that's why we have to support this kind of things. Apart from it, fuel vehicles, they rise the too much, you can say, the pollution, noise pollution, and carbon dioxide. But whereas electronic vehicles, they didn't rise this kind of things. Apart from it, if we see the mileage, so electronic vehicles give a good mileage as compared to the fuel. Apart from it, the price, whenever we see the fuel vehicle is the most costly as compared to the EV. And EV, I think we have to support because of it built in India, and whenever we are going anywhere, so it is the easy. And you're talking about the charging and all, so we have option charging. We are not going anywhere, any kind of station.
Okay, so I don't know which type of mentality do you have. I think you don't have that much knowledge about the fuel vehicle. See, with the help of fuel vehicles, we can do anything. See, if I talk about emergency, if you have an emergency, so on that time, what will you do? You are doing, you will charge your vehicle. So on that time, you are not able to charging. But if we have a fuel vehicle, so we can purchase fuel of our vehicle. So we can travel by the fuel vehicle. Apart from this, if I talk about the benefit of the fuel vehicle, see, with the help of fuel vehicle, we can do many kind of tasks. But with the help of e-vehicle, we can't do. Why? Because e-vehicles don't have a capacity of that much task. So that is why we have to understand that fuel vehicles is more important for our life also. And apart from this, if I talk about e-vehicles, increase the carbon is not important for our environment also. So we have to understand this type of thing, like what is the benefit of our life and what is not benefit of our life. So you have to need.
Brother, you should not even talk about the mileage, because nowadays the E20 petrol is ruining the mileage of the cars. And ma'am, you were saying that nobody can afford the electric vehicle. I can afford an electric vehicle because I am not poor. Okay, the middle class, the people who are driving the electric rickshaw, how are they buying it? With their money, right? They are not renting it. It's their choice. And like, if I charge my electric vehicle for 24 hours and it's full, and it will go to the 500 to 4 hour kilometers and 400 kilometers. So I don't think that India is a more less developed country which doesn't have a charging station in 400 to 500 kilometers. And electric vehicles are very good because electric vehicle does not produce any kind of pollution like water pollution, sound pollution, air pollution. Because air pollution doesn't produce because like the pollution which your petrol produce, and it is not good for our environment, because the pollution which is producing by our fuel vehicles are not good for our environment, because it is ruining the environment.
I don't know that what mentality you all are having. That don't you know that about the Tesla, that it is approximately of 12 to 13 lakhs. Are you just can you just buy it? And mainly that, may I know that what is your income? That you can just tell me, that after that that I can just believe. And accepted that about the fuel vehicle, that which is really important for our India and for for developing our country. I don't know that what knowledge you are having. Just you are blaming fuel, by which that you are just you are just going one place to another place, for just going on the mountain, for going on the hill station. That mainly that fuel vehicles are used, not the electric vehicles which you are just supporting. And electric vehicles are really not good for our environment. And mainly that I don't know that where you would find that electricity, and mainly that burns, that we are just founding the fire in the electric vehicles, not in fuel vehicles. So just try to be
Electric vehicle is good for everyone. Like if you go in our society, so mostly people are use electric vehicles. Like in our society have a lots of power plant in our society. And if you go in a Devli, so you see a electric plant in our electric vehicles. Like if you have any knowledge, so you search, or you search a Google, and after that you will speak. And in a in e-vehicles are very cheap price available in our society, like 7 to 9 lakhs also. And if you purchase a e-vehicle, so in that time e-vehicles are in government are also provide a subsidy for the travelers, for the everyone. Like if you ride
So hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This side me, Mohit, in front of you. Today, I support totally the fuel vehicle. Actually, what happened without you all are beating around the bush. Come to the point. Actually, as you said, the government is providing subsidy. You really need to have the clarification over there. You know why? Because the government is not providing any kind of subsidies over there. The e-vehicle is one of the worst thing in India. We do not have that much infrastructure or facility as well to run the e-vehicle in our road. Apart from it, the government is also not supporting the e-vehicle. What about the Tesla? What about the Cybertruck? They are also, invented by the Elon Musk in the Western country. When it's come to the India and he started to establish everything in India, the government refused. Why? Because they know there is no value of the, you can say, e-vehicle. Apart from it, in India, we know everything depend on the fuel vehicle. If suppose you have an e-vehicle, and if you want to sell in your future your e-vehicle, nobody buy it because there is already demand of fuel vehicle. Apart from it, there is a low maintenance cost of the fuel vehicle. Thank you.
Okay, so you guys need to, I think, wake up, right? What our topic is electric vehicle. As per my words, I think electric vehicles are more better than fuel vehicle. Because why I'm saying it, you guys were talking about the unnecessary point which is not required in this class. She was talking about the Sangam Bihar. Basically, we are living in Sangam Bihar. That's why we need more EV vehicles. You know what? Why I'm saying it? Just because the pollution issues we have, as well as the noise pollution we have as well, right? See, e-vehicle reduce the smoke, which does not produce any air. You know what? So it less the air pollution, and it decrease the less noise as well, which is very important for us. As well as the advantage, if I'll let you know the advantage of e-vehicle, so we have a multiple advantage of it. You know what? Less maintenance. Basically, you guys are not thinking about the maintenance cost as well. You know what? The cost of e-vehicles is too less as compared to the fuel vehicle. You know what? More than 3,000 moving parts fuel vehicle has. What about the e-vehicle? E-vehicle does not have more. You know what? The body even.
Okay, so I would like to continue my point. As I was saying, that e-vehicle have the light weight, so it can turn around at any time and you can get injured. Another thing is that you all need to go and do research. As ma'am, you are saying pollution free. It is not. EV vehicles are not completely pollution free. Let me tell you one thing. And my partner also said that that lithium, that battery, the battery which you use in e-vehicles, it is made by the lithium, and lithium, it is also very expensive. And the process of getting the lithium, it also creates the pollution. The battery manufacturing and electricity generation, majorly electricity, it is generated by the coal, and it is majorly it is generated by the coal. It also creates the the pollution. Another thing is that, as sir you are saying about cost, so do you know the cost of replacement of the battery? If when your battery, once your battery get damaged, so you have to just replace your battery, and the cost of replacement, it is very high. And you are studying in schools, and you are saying that you can afford e-vehicles. So don't pretend here, okay? Don't do overacting here. So let me, you all need to go and search the things. Another thing is that petrol, when it comes to export and import, what we use that fuel vehicle, because we know that fuel vehicles can carry.
Okay, so you are talking about that we cannot afford this kind of things, and many more things you are talking about fuel vehicles. So let me clear you that if you're talking about that the personal man's, right? So he's earning, he's running his business. So first of all, without checking the reality, don't interrupt anyone and don't attack their personal things, right? Apart from it, you guys know about the E20, which is right now going on. E20 means ethanol, and how ethanol made? Rice, maize, and sugarcane. And who run this kind of things? Minister's son run this kind of businesses, right? And they want to promote this, and our government gives the compulsion that we have to fulfill our tank the 20% ethanol. Do you know how it is harmful for our vehicles? If ethanol come contact in the water molecules, what it create? It create the rusting, it create the engine, and our engine also get damaged. So this kind of thing we need to study about that, right? Apart from it, you are talking about there is no that much our government not promoting e-vehicles. Sir, check the Delhi buses, right? You know that the reality, most of the Delhi buses convert into fuel vehicles into e-vehicles. So that's the reality.
First of all, whatever you said, that is totally nihilification. That means valueless and worthless. You know why? Because you don't know the value of it. The semiconductor chips, by the help of semiconductor chips, the EV vehicle made, and just because of the semiconductor chips, we see the radiation is there, and radiation, you know about the how much radiation is harmful for us, not even us, for the animal as well. Apart from it, in India, there is no infrastructure for the EV vehicles. We really need to have the follow the fuel vehicle, because if your EV vehicle is really that much good, so why we are not all the buses converting in the fuel vehicle? EV vehicle means to say we are still running the fuel buses as well in India. We know the condition of your e-vehicles. There are many videos come from the social media that the Ola batteries are burning just because of the charging, just because of the raining. They start we can say voltage is coming from the battery, and just because of it, there are many people got die.
Brother, just no need to gain the knowledge from the WhatsApp University. You have to check the reality. Like as you are said, we are just using the e-vehicle. It means it's burn. Like if you are also using electricity at home, it's fire anytime. No, that's the thing. Just check the reality. And somewhere you can say very cheaper e-vehicles. Just check the reality. You can check from the Google also. If you want to purchase any kind of the bike, like petrol vehicles cost is the 1 lakh rupees. EV vehicle is 130, okay, 1,30,000. But government giving the 30% discount. It means it cost will be 90,000. That's the thing. And one time investment, lifetime you will get free. That's the things. In 15 years, you have to no invest for the petrol. That kind of the things. And apart from that, what kind of things we are getting from the petrol? What kind of getting? Like Delhi AQI 400. That kind of the things we are getting from the what we are doing to environment. As being a human, what we are giving to environment? We are getting nothing. If we just use the fuel vehicle, that kind of things, definitely you can say environment will be destroyed after some years.
For this man, I would like to say, just wake up and smell the coffee, right? Apart from it, that he is just giving the AQI level 400 above. That is a parali. That is a parali is burning from the Punjab. That was the cause of that. And despite it, e-vehicles, why these are, these are the batteries which are just directly getting the blasted. And sir was saying the maintenance. Actually, the battery maintenance is a high cost. Unnecessary, deliberately you are trying to put the unnecessary points. Despite it, e-vehicles, because in e-vehicles, if you are going in a mountain area, you can all, freely you can have a ride. But in, I can say what happens in e-vehicles, especially you have to charge the battery, you have to wait for 8 hours, 10 hours. Within 8 hours, if you have any emergency, will you wait for 8 hours, 12 hours? No, definitely you are going to use fuel vehicles. Despite it, aeroplane, which is totally run by the fuel, not the e-vehicles. And apart from it, Tesla E20, actually sir, it's not like the wherever myth, the myth which is going in your mind. I would like to say, just clear this myth, and despite it, try to put a valid point. And right now, mostly 99% people are using fuel vehicles because it is totally affordable.
Okay, so brother, we need coffee, you need I think water, and splash your face first, then speak front of us. You know what? Why you guys are not understanding the e-vehicle is the future of India. Basically, you know what? Every developed country, if you see, they have moving forward to the e-vehicles. You know what? But just because of you all guys, I don't think India will be developed. You know what? Otherwise, India would have developed, right? And as well as e-vehicles, basically there are many advantages as well. We have e-vehicles. You know what? If you have a e-vehicle, you can charge it at your home. There is no need to go any petrol pump. And specifically Sangam Bihar, basically she was talking about the Sangam Bihar. I haven't seen in my life any petrol pump in Sangam Bihar. I'm not pretty sure where she was talking about it. And apart from it, you know what, there are many maintenance codes. I have already spoken about it. And as well as, you know what, e-vehicle is the portable battery as well. Sorry, you were talking about the mileage. So we have a portable batteries as well. We can carry portable battery, which is very good for us. As well as the remote areas, basically, you know what, in remote areas, e-vehicles is very good because it does not produce any heatness.
So guys, now finally the conclusion is that I am just, our team is waiting for your vote, and your vote is really gonna be precious and vital for our team. If you really like this game and if you really enjoyed this game, so we are just waiting for a vote, and just give your precious vote to our team, and we're just waiting to win this match. And despite it, hope so everything is gonna be mind blowing, and we hope so we also enjoyed you. And topic is our fuel vehicle. So just tap the button on the fuel vehicle as compared to e-vehicles. Otherwise, it's your ideology. We are waiting for the fuel vehicle. That's all.
Hello, our viewer, just watch the video and just cast the vote toward the electronic vehicles, and not for the just it's our topic because of that. It's a future of our country. Like definitely we will just support the good thing. Definitely our country will be develop, and it's our duty, not just only me duty. It's your duty. Just cast your vote toward the vehicle.